We are all born with a divine fire in us. Our efforts should be to give wings to that fire and fill the world with the glow of its goodness. అన్నారు మన డాక్టర్ ఏపీజే అబ్దుల్ కలాం గారు. వారి పుస్తకం వింగ్స్ ఆఫ్ ఫైర్ లో. లీడ్ ఇండియా ఫౌండేషన్ ఈజ్ హియర్ టుడే to ignite the fire in the nation, to be able to take that goodness through India and across the world. I am Major Madhukar Katragatta. I am just entering the sunset years of my life. That is after putting in about 39 years plus of work in my life. I served for over 10 years in the Indian Army as a commissioned officer, and after that I have had an exhilarating entrepreneurial journey over 2 decades. But to be frank, it is just recently that I realized my true self and understood actually what I should be doing in the balance of my life. I feel very proud and privileged and honored at this juncture of my life to take up this kind of a great responsibility of leading Lead India, our beloved Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Gari dream real. It is a responsibility which I can understand is very, very important, and I feel honored to take it up. And I have the confidence to be able to accomplish that. I would say I'm looking forward to the next 30 years, and I feel excited and enthusiastic the same way I was when I was commissioned as a young officer, as a second lieutenant in 1981. I believe that I should work through my life in being a soldier because I believe I should protect the society. I would like to be a scholar because I believe that learning is continuous from birth to death, and I believe in being a spiritual because I know that we have come with nothing and we will go with nothing. And if these words, what I would like to say to all of you is, Lead India Foundation has got a very big objective, a dream by itself. Transform 20 crore Indian youth by 2025 and transform India into a developed nation by 2030. I'm sure there are lots of people across the country would wonder, is this possible? If we think it's possible, it will happen. And we think it's possible. And we made a very simple plan. And the plan is to develop a network of Lead India national clubs across the country, state by state, mandal by mandal, district by district by 2025. In the year 2021 and 2022, we have already initiated the necessary steps to establish this kind of a network in the Telugu-speaking states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. In these 2 years, we are planning to establish over 1,300 Lead India national clubs at the mandal levels. And I take pleasure in announcing to all of you that our first Lead India National Club has been inaugurated in Karimnagar yesterday, taking Kargil Vijay Divas as a big inspiration. This is just the beginning. As I would say, the Chief Executive Officer of Lead India Foundation, I am looking forward to initiate this Ashwamedha Yajna, which is going to start here and spread across the country. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Lead India.